Hi there, this is a project I have created for my client. This is a email template builder. So let's take a look. At first you have to go to editor. You have a editor for editing your email template. You can add as many column as you want, as many row as you want. You can add image, text and all kind of blocks you have. You see all those blocks you can add here to make a email template to send a email just like this. And when you want to change the default image, you just need to click on this image, and here let's choose one. I'm just choosing this Bayern Munich, and this is for logo. If you want to change this free logo, you can also change it as well. So let's do it. You see there is logo, okay, and this is image. Let's change it to this one, and you can change those text as well. And you also have a option for adding space. You also have option for adding a space as many space you want. Okay, here once you click on this image, you see this option to change image. You also have the option to add the hyperlink. You can paste any link here as well. For example, let's paste this netlify.com. just paste it here and open in new tab. Now just click on this save. Before that you need to put a test on. You need to put a title. Once you save it, you see it's loading. All those images you see here, this will be stored inside AWS, Amazon Web Service S3. And if you want to delete that, you also can delete. You see this template name is test1. By the way, this is using MySQL database and Node.js for backend language. So let's take a look. If you want to preview it, here you have an option for previewing this. You have another option for edit the same template, okay, and you have another option for creating another template. Just click on this editor. Previously you see I have created those. Let's delete one of them. So let's delete example 4. Once you delete it, you have there is no template called example 4. That's all about this project. Please take a look all the project I have on my portfolio. Thank you.